ओके फाइन. सो नाउ आई एम डिस्कसिंग कि जब भी किसी को किसी भी तरह की कोई एलर्जी होती है तो उसको कैसे, या इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है तो हम उसको कैसे प्रिवेंट करें और हम उसकी इम्यूनिटी को कैसे बढ़ाएं. तो फर्स्ट, हाउ टू कीप अभी एनी इन्फ्लेमेशन. जैसे इन्फ्लेमेशन होता है, किसी को सडनली ईयर इन्फ्लेमेशन हो गया, किसी को स्किन इन्फ्लेमेशन हो गया, स्किन रेड हो जाती है, पेनफुल हो जाती है, वहाँ पस फॉर्मेशन भी हो जाता है, किसी को थ्रोट इन्फेक्शन हो गया, यानी कहीं भी बॉडी में किसी भी तरह का कोई भी इन्फेक्शन है. तो दीज आर द वंडरफुल 6 पॉइंट्स प्रोटोकॉल जो हमारे सारे इन्फेक्शंस को दूर करता है. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दीज 6 पॉइंट्स. तो आप देखिए कि दिस इज अवर ईयर. इसका अगेन द फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी ear apex bleeding. This ear apex bleeding, so not only this ear apex, we will take little bit helix part. तो जैसे हम थोड़ा सा हेलिक्स का पार्ट लेंगे, इतना पार्ट, and when we bleed it, so this is very wonderful treatment protocol for resisting any types of inflammation either anywhere in the body. So this will be the first step. Now we are proceeding to the second step, that is allergic area. We know this is the Darwin tubercle. सो द लोकेशन ऑफ डार्विन ट्यूबरकल, ये देखिए हमारा हेलिक्स है, हेलिक्स में यहाँ पर हमारा जो ये डार्विन ट्यूबरकल है. तो डार्विन ट्यूबरकल के नीचे जो एरिया होता है, इसका फोसा 5, दैट इज एलर्जिक एरिया. तो जब हम इस एरिया को निडल लिंक करते हैं या इस पर सीड्स लगाते हैं, तो ये हमारी सारी एलर्जीज को, स्पेशली स्किन एलर्जीज को और एनी एलर्जी रिलेटेड विद द कफ लाइक थ्रोट इन्फेक्शंस, इन सब पर बहुत अच्छा काम करता है. So this will be our second point. And after that, now when we proceed to the third point, you know this endocrine. We know that functions of endocrine gland is very much important. Endocrine hormone give us lots of strength in our body. तो जब एंडोक्राइन ग्लैंड्स को हम स्टिमुलेट करते हैं तो उससे पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड, एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, ये सारी की सारी ग्लैंड एक्टिव होती हैं. जब हम एंडोक्राइन पॉइंट को एक्टिवेट करते हैं तो स्पेशली जो adrenal gland activate होती है with the help of ACTH hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is the very effective hormone for keeping away all the inflammation. So our third point will be endocrine for any types of inflammation. So this will be in this we can see either intertragic notch. So we can see here this is the intertragic notch, and this outer part is intertragic notch 1. In a deeper part is intertragic notch 2. So we can put one needle which will go from IT1 to IT2. But anyway, if you want to put only inside, then you have to put the needle in IT2. So in that way, we have 2 points. In that way, 1 minute. So now I will explain you again. So now my first point is this one, helix bleeding. Second point will be this inner scaphoid fossa, painkiller high. Third point will be this endocrine. This is the endocrine points. We can see clearly here. Now after that, my fourth point will be adrenal gland again. So I already told you, when we activate and stimulate the adrenal glands, when we activate endocrine glands, the meaning of endocrine glands is main is pituitary glands, thyroid gland, thymus glands, and especially I want to emphasize adrenal gland. Adrenal glands is very deeply connected with all the inflammation in the body, and this is the point which is available in the tragus, or we can see the location of this tragus 3. So this is the location of tragus 3. We can see here, this is the tragus 3. Okay, TG3. So in that way, now fourth point will be spleen. Now we can see spleen. I want to tell you again, spleen is immunomodulator. This is the point of spleen. In any types of lack of immunity, weak immunity, any types of allergies, if we want to improve the immunity, we can never forget spleen. Spleen is the organ which it is very good for improving our immunity as well as keeping away all the allergies. And spleen is the organ who always keep us young. Spleen is the organ, because of the weakness of spleen, we get allergic cough, allergic throat infection, allergic asthma, allergic lung condition, allergic skin diseases. All the allergies comes because of the weak spleen. And spleen is the organ who make a mucus. So if we want to keep away all the mucus, all the cough away, then our next point will be spleen. And after that, we can see written here corresponding points. The meaning of this local points. Now, if someone is suffering with the throat infections, so we know which is the point of throat. So we can know where is the throat point. So we can, this is our tragus 1. And if we go backside of the tragus 1, so if we go backside on the tragus 1, so I am making triangle instead of this. The meaning of triangle is hidden point. So which is not on the surface, which is inside of the surface. So this is wonderful point for the throat. Even I have put seeds to many person here who is singer and going to perform some stage things, some performance, going for singing the garba. This single points, triangle means it is hidden point, not on the surface, hidden on the backside. So front is tragus and backside is subtragus. So when we put the point on the subtragus, it is wonderful point for all the throat infections. Okay. So the meaning of local point, if someone is suffering with a throat problem, so we can put throat infection point. Now, inflammation may occur anywhere. If someone is having suddenly got neck pain, and we found there is a neck inflammation, there is an inflammation in the muscles of the neck or in that area. So we can put the same protocol with the points of neck. So we can see infection may be anywhere. Now suppose this is the neck. So if we put 2 points over the neck after completing this protocol, this will keep away each and every inflammation which is in the neck. Now suppose some patient came to us telling, oh doctor, suddenly I got back pain today. So this is because it is today, so that area will be red and inflamed. But if it is one pain with the 1 year, then there will not be inflammation and it become chronic and old. But when any fresh patient come to us, so we can put these 5 points and with lower back points. So it will keep away all the lower back pain away. In the same way, one patient came to us, oh doctor, I got suddenly knee pain today and this is paining very badly. So we know this is the knee area. So after putting this point, so if any pain which occurred today only or which is very fresh, so we always think that area will be red and some pain will be there. So we count in inflammation. So after this, we will put 2 points over the knee. So these are the 2 points of the knee. So this is antihelix 12 and this is antihelix 16. So in that way, first we have to put these 5 points. After that, we have to put the point which is affected, which can keep away any problem only with the help of this 5+ points. Okay, so now I am unmuting you, so you can ask any question. 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, done. Okay. You got idea, Didi?
Yes, भैया. So now अब मैं आपको repeat कर देती हूँ. First तो ear apex में bleeding है,
हाँ.
जिसमें हम part 6, 7, 8 part cover करेंगे.
हाँ.
Right? Second part हमारा Staphylococcus 5 है, fossa.
जी.
जिसमें either we can put needle or with seeded.
Yeah.
उसमें हम inner side में है और उसमें वो cough और throat infection के लिए भी better रहता है.
Yes, good.
अब तीसरा step है आपका endocrine gland के लिए.
Yes.
Which actually this gland gives strength to the body. ठीक है?